Hello, my name is Jessica Davis, and I'm going to discuss what comes after AI. In this presentation, I will focus on technologies like artificial general intelligence, quantum computing, superintelligence, and the singularity. We'll also discuss the ethical questions that may arise from this and the role IT professionals and policymakers play in shaping a role in the future of AI. We already use AI in most of our daily lives. This could be Siri, Netflix recommendations, even AI-assisted medical diagnosis. But what we use now is considered narrow AI. And this is because experts say we're on the verge of bigger breakthroughs when it comes to AI. Because of this, it raises serious ethical and professional questions as far as ethical issues. This presentation aims to explore where AI is heading and how we can prepare for this growth. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, refers to systems that can learn and reason across any task. In other words, AGI makes it possible for a machine or machines to perform any intellectual task a human can. Unlike today's more narrow AI, AGI wouldn't need the retraining for new problems. Because of this, economist Pascal Stiefenhofer warns that if AGI replaces labor, it could collapse wages and concentrate wealth to only those few who could own and operate AGI equipment. He feels that this could create a massive inequality unless we find a way to even out the unexpected inequalities. Pascal recommends that this can be averted by utilizing the universal basic income or public ownership of AI systems. Nashad Ali warns AGI may eventually lead to superintelligence. This is where machines are far smarter than human beings. He also warns about singularity and says this is the point where AI improves itself beyond human understanding and control. The problem with this is it raises ethical questions on who decides the machine's value and who benefits from this. These aren't just tech questions, these are social and political questions that need to be answered. In Dr. Keller's Tech Tank Talk, he discusses how quantum computing is another game changer. Instead of running on bits, it uses qubits or quantum bits, which allow the computers to run zeros and one at the same time. It lets it solve problems way faster than regular computers, but it does come with risk. One of the risks is it could break encryption easily. This would be what protects banks, health records, and national security. He also warns that only the wealthy or big companies may be able to afford it, making inequality worse. Another issue is the amount of energy that it takes to run quantum computing. So we would need to look into clean power source to continue the growth of quantum computers. Another issue that we run across is data privacy. With AI systems today, they are often trained by scraping public data online. While it's legal in many cases, it does raise privacy issues. One of the examples was Clearview's AI image scraping, which collected billions of social media images. Because of this, Congress is now considering privacy by design tools to keep data on the user's device instead of sending it up into the cloud. But smaller data sets can also mean less accurate models. So the challenge then becomes balancing performance with privacy and fairness. As future IT professionals, we have a huge role to play in AGI and quantum computing's future. It's not just about coding anymore. It's about building systems that are fair, explainable, and ethical. We must think about who benefits, who gets left out, and how to protect user data. We should also stay educated on local and foreign policies and help others understand these technologies. While most laws only focus on basics like data collection, facial recognition, there are no rules yet for AGI, quantum computing, superintelligence, or the singularity. Organizations like the Brookings are raising awareness, but more action is needed. Some experts even suggest treaties initiatives like those with arms control to prevent a tech arms race and ensure global safety. In conclusion, what comes after AI could help solve major global problems, or it can deepen inequality and risk. Our choices today matter. IT professionals, lawmakers, and everyday people all have a role in ensuring technology benefits everyone, not just the few. The future depends on the values we build into the systems now. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and thank you for listening.